car wash soaps safely remove dirt, grime, and pollutants, protecting paint, enhancing shine, and preserving wax or coatings. My today's video is about top 5 best car wash soaps that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's car wash soap. Meguiar's Gold Class Foaming Car Wash Soap transforms car care into a simple, single-step process, merging cleaning and conditioning seamlessly. Its advanced formula effectively removes dirt, grime, and road contaminants while remaining gentle enough to preserve existing wax protection, ensuring no compromise between cleanliness and protection. The biodegradable solution produces rich, clinging suds that lift debris effortlessly, delivering a professional-grade wash every time. Beyond cleaning, the soap's paint conditioners restore depth and shine, reviving dull or faded surfaces for a long-lasting, radiant finish that stands out in any car show. Its versatility allows use in a traditional bucket or with a foam cannon, simply diluted 5:1, making it suitable for casual washes or detailing sessions. Overall, Meguiar's Gold Class offers an eco-friendly, time-saving, and highly effective solution, combining convenience, protection, and showroom-worthy results in one luxurious car wash experience. Now our second product is Rain-X Car Wash Soap. Rain-X Foaming Car Wash Soap delivers an exceptional cleaning experience, designed to reduce spots and streaks while preserving waxed surfaces. Its high-foaming, biodegradable, and concentrated formula effectively lifts dirt, grime, and residues from rain, sleet, snow, and everyday debris, leaving vehicles with a brilliant, glossy finish without stripping protection. The soap's powerful yet gentle action ensures every wash restores a showroom-quality shine while maintaining existing wax coatings, making it ideal for regular maintenance or detailing. Trusted for over 50 years, Rain-X has consistently provided drivers with reliable products that enhance vehicle care and confidence on the road. Application is straightforward: hose off heavy dirt, mix 1 ounce of concentrate per bucket of water, wash with a clean mitt or sponge, then rinse and dry. Overall, this car wash combines eco-friendly performance, ease of use, and high-gloss results, offering both protection and visual appeal in every wash. Our third product is Chemical Guys Car Wash Soap. Hero Car Wash Soap, CWS_402_64SW, by Chemical Guys is a premium 64-ounce formula that elevates car washing into a professional-grade experience. Its thick, luxurious suds are perfect for foam cannons, blasters, or bucket washes, encapsulating dirt and grime to minimize swirl marks and surface scratches while maximizing lubrication. The pH-balanced formula is gentle yet effective, preserving wax, sealants, and ceramic coatings while safely cleaning all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, trim, and plastics. Versatile enough for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs, it delivers consistent, glossy results whether at home or in a detailing shop. Trusted by enthusiasts and professionals alike, Hero Car Wash Soap ensures every wash restores brilliance and clarity, making it a staple for car clubs and DIY detailers. The generous 64-ounce bottle offers excellent value, supporting multiple washes and seamlessly complementing other Chemical Guys products for a complete, high-quality car care routine. Now number 4, Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash Soap. Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Wax combines convenience, protection, and brilliance in a single 64 fluid ounces bottle. Its proprietary blend of cleaning agents, surface lubricants, and real carnauba wax delivers an all-in-one solution that cleans, shines, and protects effortlessly. The thick, sudsing formula lifts dirt and grime while promoting water beading, reducing dry time and minimizing water spots for a streak-free finish. Designed to enhance your vehicle's paint, it reveals deep, radiant color and provides a mirror-like shine that stands out. pH neutral and safe for all automotive surfaces, it preserves existing wax and coatings while being gentle on paint, trim, and plastics. Versatile in application, it works effectively with both hand washes and foam cannons, producing rich lather for professional-level results at home. Armor All Ultra Shine ensures a spotless, glossy, and protected finish, making every wash both efficient and satisfying. And our last choice is Turtle Wax Car Wash Soap. Turtle Wax pH-neutral foaming car wash delivers a professional-level clean while being exceptionally gentle on all exterior surfaces. Its advanced formula breaks down tough dirt, soils, and road grime with ease, rinsing away for a brilliant, streak-free shine. The uniquely thick, clinging foam ensures thorough cleaning without stripping wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings, preserving all surface protections. Beyond regular washing, its slick end-slide polymers allow it to double as a synthetic clay bar lubricant, making mechanical decontamination easier when used with a foam cannon. Versatile in application, it works perfectly by hand with a bucket and mitt or through a foam sprayer for even coverage from top to bottom. Turtle Wax emphasizes best practices, advising users to avoid applying in direct sunlight or on hot surfaces to maintain optimal results. Overall, this car wash combines safety, versatility, and efficiency, delivering a spotless, protected, and showroom-ready finish every time. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.